We are getting everything together. Have fun, Bubba's. You watch the house, okay?
You ready, Logs?
You want to go to the farm and go pick out a pumpkin? Yeah? No? We better hurry up because it's going to be hot today.
Logan picked out our outfit today.
I probably couldn't have anything more in my hands here. But that's the way it is. Hey, where are we going? Huh? What's that? What's that? All right, here we go to Underwood Farms. All right.
You're making a mess of this.
Hey, little Bubs, you ready? Okay. Ivy, what do you do at Underwood Farms?
We get pumpkins. And we go play in the corn maze and get
The corn maze. You gonna get lost this time?
I spy a bridge.
Okay, we're playing I Spy. We're on our way to Underwood Farms. Oh.
We got the
Okay,
friends and family.
let's
coupon.
go.
We're good to go.
You ready, Bubba?
Let's go see some pumpkins.
Okay, here we go. Here we are. It's 10 o'clock and it's only 90 degrees. 80.
In Simi Valley, Moorpark.
Feels like 90.
About 30 minutes from our house. We do this every year. It's Logan's first time though.
Okay,
Logan's never been. He came for Easter.
this
Not
is
for
it.
Halloween.
This is it. We got VIP parking right in the front. Go check it out. Was it 100 degrees already? Look at all these pumpkins. Oh my gosh. Look at all these pumpkins!
Pumpkin!
Here we go, look at
Friends and family gifts.
Okay.
Friends and family.
Oh no.
There. Okay,
You got one? Let me
we
see.
discounted $20. Okay.
What? Okay, we made it. We got our stamp. These kids are stamped up. They're ready to go.
Here the whole day?
All day.
All right. Bye.
Bye. Hello. Here we are at. Look at this. This place is radical. Maybe we should look at the map. Then we don't know. Look at all this stuff that we got going on. There's the corn maze that we got lost in last time. We are here. So this just goes to show you how much there is to do here. There's all types of things to do over here. I don't know. I have no idea what I'm talking about. Let's just go check it out, okay? Oh, we got the goats. Look at this. Look at this setup.
Tiny one up there, Ivy.
Look, they're walking all the way around. They can just walk around the whole entire park up there on the L. Go check out the beans. Oh, thank you. Oh, there's gonna be nowhere to sit. Let's go, guys. All right, we're gonna go try and get into the pig races. We saw them a couple of years ago. They were so much fun. They go round and round, and then hopefully we can get a spot here. If not, we'll stand. Stop letting people in. Maybe we can go in the back way here. Ivy was the one who said, let's just go in this way, Dad.
Oh, you snuck in, huh?
Just like you're sneaking a boogie out, huh? Here we are, buds. We're at the pig races. We're hanging out. You want to go up there and look? You just want to play in the dirt, don't you? I think we have another pig to go in the races. He's right here.
Get a pumpkin. Okay. Oh, good job, Lugs.
Come on, let's go. Let's go. We're on the hunt for the biggest pumpkin here, huh, Ivy? Where do you think it could be? No. Oh my goodness, there's a little baby pumpkin in the middle. We should put that back. Oh, it's a baby. It's okay, little guy. We'll put you back with your friends. Yeah, good idea. Bye. Oh. Yeah, Ivy, where's the straw? Isn't there a straw with that?
I ate the straw.
The straw.
What?
Corn.
Cooled off a little bit out of tri-tip sandwich, a couple of ears of corn.
Logan's had most of it.
This kid
Logan
won't
had a
stop.
little nap, like a little 20-minute cat nap.
Speaking of cats, now we got to go to the corn maze and try to see if we can find a way out. Oh, thank you.
Oh. Just kidding, Dad.
Mommy's got some corn in her hair. What?
The big one.
The big what?
The big corn maze.
The big corn maze?
We always went on that little one.
Oh, you did?
You went in the labyrinth and went round and round and round, right?
You need to drink your lemonade. Can I have some?
Okay, this way.
After you just put your kitty tongue in there?
What is your hands all black? You touching your face?
And I cross the deserts bare, man. I breathe the mountain air, man. I travel and had my share, man. I've been everywhere. I've been to Reno, Chicago, Fargo, Minnesota, Buffalo, Toronto, Winslow, Sarasota, Wichita, Tulsa, Ottawa, Oklahoma, Tampa, Panama, Manitoba, Paloma, Bangor, Baltimore, Fillmore, Amarillo, Santa Paula, San Antonio, San Antonio, keep it going. I've been everywhere, man. I've been everywhere, man. I cross the deserts bare, man. I breathe mountain air, man. I traveled, I've had my share. I've been everywhere.
go to the corn maze. We made it. We did it. We've been in there for like 3 hours. How come you didn't just tell us to go this way? We did it, buddy.